everybody, welcome back to TAZ's Wig Closet. This is Taz. Today I'm going to bring you a look at a Jon Renau style. It's called Fiery. It's in the color Shaded Mocha, which is 24BT18S8. This style was provided by Andrea at Wig Studio One for this review. You can find this style, all the other Jon Renau styles, and much more by visiting wigstudio1.com. Also, wigstudio1.com does sponsor a private Facebook group by searching Wig Studio One Wigs and Topper Help. Wow, here's the wig. Look how beautiful that is. Soft and silky. So I'm back wearing Fiery. I made my adjustments. I inspected the cap. I inspected the wig. This is a really high quality piece. Everything is constructed very, very well. Let's take a look at this color though. 24BT18S8 Shaded Mocha. It's a light ash brown shade, and it's very profusely but well blended with medium gold blonde highlights, and all of that is on a medium brown root. So even though it's kind of a light brown base color, it really does firmly belong in the blonde family. And especially since it's a heat-defiant fiber, sometimes those color pigments take a little differently on the chemistry of the heat-defiant fibers versus a non-heat-friendly fiber. I have noticed just through my experience of the Jon Renau heat-friendly fiber is that the colors appear to be a little lighter and brighter, just slightly different than the comparable color in a non-heat-friendly synthetic. We have about an 8-inch front bang piece here. Now I'm about 7 inches from hairline to chin. So that's going to reach just below my chin, and it's extremely flattering the way it contours right around the face, and sometimes I can even sense that it's feathering right, wants to feather right back into the style. And we have about a 12.5-inch layer on the sides. And in the back, I did measure from crown to the tip, and it's between 16 and 17 inches. And it's more of a blunt cut right across there. It weighs about 4.6 ounces. We have a temple-to-temple hand-tied lace front and a full hand-tied monofilament top. Let's take a look at that lace front. I think the lace front is done very well. The knots are very fine. The highlight is not taken up to the root. And then in terms of the monotop, this is very densely threaded here on the top, but I still think you can get a variety of parting options with the illusion of scalp. So there is a lot of hair on Fiery. It feels absolutely luxurious, kind of like human hair does. It's very dense, a very dense style, but what I would like to, how I'd like to describe it is very lush, because each one of those fibers is very silky and of average denier. So it's silky. It does not have an extreme synthetic shine to it. So because this is a very lush style and there's quite a bit of hair here, you don't need a lot of permatease to hold it up. It's all the work being done by these fibers. There's a lot of body in these fibers. There's not a lot of permatease on this style. You're going to see a slight amount all around that monotop. There's absolutely none right there where the seam of the monotop meets the open weft. Sometimes you can get a bump it. I'm not sensing any right there. Although because of all that body, I think that you're getting a really nice profile in the back and from the side. Very feminine, beautiful. And then you will find a little bit of permatease here at the temple just above the ear tab. A very slight amount in the back, and at the nape you're probably going to see the most. Fiery has a temple to temple lace front. It's not extended, but it does run temple to temple. It's very nicely contoured. This is a welded lace front, what they call a smart lace front. The material is soft. It blends in with any skin tone, but it's very durable. And it really hugs the head so nicely. And then you have a single monofilament top. You can notice here, I like that. It's very generous. It does go back to the crown. There are your velvet covered closed ear tabs. A regular nape, it's not extended, and you do have some Velcro adjusters. Seems like there might be a decent amount of stretch on this style. I believe that Fiery is just going to be an absolute blank slate for all of the creations that you want to try. But just right out of the box here, without doing any heat, without using product, without altering this wig in any way, I'm going to give you some simple ideas on how to style it, because I happen to love the shape and the texture of it right out of the box. So this has been a review of the Jon Renau Fiery in the color Shaded Mocha 24BT18S8. See you next time.